Hey there! Today we are going to talk about auto-assist sources. When a customer requests to speak with a human, Copilot Auto-Assist jumps in right away, analyzing the ticket, figuring out what the customer needs, and instantly pulling in the most relevant content from your trusted sources, right into the composer. No digging through Zendesk ticket history, no bouncing between tabs, just fast, accurate help exactly where agents need it. Let's talk about where those answers came from. First up, procedures. Your internal step-by-step guide for handling specific ticket types. When there's a match, Auto-Assist suggests a response based on that procedure, so agents can follow a clear guided path. That's why it's important to create procedures for your most common requests, like refunds, cancellations, or troubleshooting, and keep them up to date. Because the more accurate and current they are, the more confident your agents will be. Auto-Assist also pulls from your public help center articles. If a customer asks something you have already documented as a public article, it can generate a reply using that content instantly. It will pick the right article based on the ticket's brand and language, so all the value in your help center gets put to work. No extra effort required. For those edge cases or tricky situations that aren't fully documented, Auto-Assist can bring in replies from similar solved tickets. It's like giving every agent access to your team's collective experience, right at their fingertips. And that's not all. You can also tap into third-party tools using your Action Builder. So even if the answer lives outside Zendesk, you still got it covered. Before Auto-Assist, agents had to track down information on their own. Now, the right reply is already waiting, whether it comes from a procedure, a help center article, or a past solved ticket. That means faster responses, more consistent answers, and less stress on your team. And your customers? They get the help they need without the wait.